we're gonna set this up. Instructions right here. Alright. Comes in this little case. Let's see what it looks like. And this is something you can travel with. And that way, if you are a hard sleeper, you can just take this and put it in the bed. So cool. And they sent me some batteries. Alright. And it's got a little clip so you can hang it on you as you go to the gym or wherever you're going. You can clip it on your pants and it'll go off. Alright, this looks cool. So excited. Alright, this is the red one. So neat. Ooh. It's got a clip. Alright. Let's see how this works. I love the little case it comes with. So cute. Alright, let's see how this works. Here's the instructions. Tells you what is what. Okay. Setting up the clock and alarm time. Press and hold the time set button number 2. Number 2 is the first button. So you're going to hold the first button right there. And then the hour button number 4, which is right there. So you're going to hold that down. And that one. So it is 1, oh no, it's 2 o'clock now. So that's the hour button. So let's see. Press and hold the time set number 4 hour. When PM is registered, a P will pull up. Okay, so that's PM. Alright. Press the number 2 button and number 5 button. So the number 5 button is the end. So you're going to hit the number 2, which is the first one. Hold it down the number 2, and then you're going to hold down the minutes, which is this one. So it is 2:04. I'm going to go back. .204, so it's probably about to be a 2:05, so I'll just do 2:05. Alright, so that's correct time.